Welcome to this channel. This is EngineerBenjamin HealthTEch. Here we are going to educate you and train you on different things in medical engineering as a profession. I'm here to bring you tutorials, lectures, and consultation services on matters of medical devices, maintenance services as an engineer, and also things that are of interest in terms of innovation and technology. As a bridge between medicine and engineering, it will make me at some point bring ideas and solutions on how each and every medical devices work, operational principles, how you should maintain it, and the preventive maintenance activities. In this channel, we are going to talk about from a variety of medical devices, from infusion pumps, from ventilators, from x-rays, to all sorts of medical devices. From imaging, we can have access. From the critical care unit, we have access of the systems. And these devices, we are going to break it down to make every person, the young professional engineer, the engineer himself, the engineer at the ground, and all the students that are interested in learning medical engineering profession. This is a profession that builds you. It's a profession that guarantees you a safety in terms of getting services to the patient. When we talk about medical engineering, it is a broader course. And as a profession, it cuts across the medical related issues in solution with engineering principles. And for this reason, I, Benjamin Kohler, just came and decided to expound on these things for people to understand what is this thing that hits the ground, the backbone in the hospital setups. Who are these people who control the systems within the hospitals? Who are these people that maintain the patients? When the things are not working, they're the first people to be called. When the things are working, they're the first people to be called for maintenance services. And as a professional engineer, it will take you time to learn. But in this channel, I'm going to break it down for you to learn. Here, we offer solution from consultation services to better access to information. And this is Benjamin HealthTech. Let's learn, let's train, and merge the bridge of engineering and medicine. I'll be doing it on daily basis, from one video to another, from one session to another, and that's our tech.